what's left with me. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'll tell you the truth. The memories you left me.
This is cause I'm not on my own. No fear of being alone. With you I feel at home. Like nothing can go wrong.
I got the jag in the bag. I got the bag in the bag. Louis V on me, y'all niggas want me. That's why y'all bitches is mad. Sunroof for the Beamer. Swag milky, no creamer. Haters asking, have you seen her?
What's good? What's up? It's your girl Caitlin here. If you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and subscribe. Hit that bell beside it too so you'll be notified whenever I upload. So, as you can tell by the title of the video, you guys already know what's going on. This is a hair review. This hair was sent to me by B Queen. I will leave all their links down below. I received a 22-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig. It wasn't tracks. I didn't have to make any wigs. State, but I had to be extra. I mean, hot girl summer, you hear me? And I went ahead and dyed it to like this ombre type. I did process it twice. I processed it 2 times. The hair is not stiff. It's not tangling. It's not shedding. Like I'm serving looks, honey. I'm serving vibes. If you're wondering, this is a 13x4 lace frontal. The lace didn't have to be plucked. The frontal didn't have to be plucked, but I went ahead and I'm serving scalps, honey. Like I just went ahead and plucked it even more. It did come pre-plucked. The lace was also already tinted to go with my chocolate brown skin. It comes with 4 combs, 1 in the front, 2 on the side, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. Let's see what else. I said it's pre-plucked, combs, adjustable strap. I've only been wearing this. I installed it because I plan on going on a cruise on Saturday, so we're gonna see how it holds up. I installed it. It's only been in for 3 days. Like I said, no shedding, no tangles, no matting, no dryness. I went ahead and threw some wand curls in it with my Conair curling wand, and I put a little bit of Chi heat protector in there, and this is what I got. So stay tuned for an updated review. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.